It's been a bitter debate over the issue of triple talaq that is currently raging on. The government has been accused of using the issue for politics, keeping the Uttar Pradesh elections in mind. But today, the Prime Minister spoke out on the issue for the first time, not only slamming the regressive practice and calling for reform, but also saying that this is not an issue of religion, it is not about politics, but it is about the rights and dignity of women. While addressing a rally in Mahoba in Uttar Pradesh, he raised the issue of triple talaq, saying that he will not let the lives of Muslim women be ruined and their rights will be protected. Several clerics have defended the practice, calling it a part of Islamic culture, also questioning why the government is suddenly highlighting this issue, whether it's an assault on the rights of the Muslim community to practice their traditions.
अगर कोई हिंदू मां के गर्भ में बेटी को मार देगा तो उसको जेल के सलाखों के पीछे जाना पड़ेगा। वैसे ही मेरी मुसलमान बहन, उसका क्या गुनाह? कोई ऐसे ही टेलीफोन पर 3 तलाक बोल दे और उसकी जिंदगी तबाह हो जाए? क्या मुसलमान बेटियों के हकों की रक्षा होनी चाहिए कि नहीं होनी चाहिए? क्या मुसलमान माताओं बहनों को रक्षा मिलनी चाहिए कि नहीं मिलनी चाहिए? क्या मुसलमान बहनों को समानता का अधिकार मिलना चाहिए कि नहीं मिलना चाहिए? कुछ मुस्लिम बहनों ने अदालत में अपने हकों की लड़ाई लड़ी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने हमें पूछा कि आप भारत सरकार क्या कहती है? हमने साफ साफ अपने शब्दों में कहा कि माताओं बहनों पर कोई अन्याय नहीं होना चाहिए, संप्रदाय के आधार पर भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए।
All right, China NC of the BJP is joining us live on the broadcast. In a while, we will also be joined by Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi, who's the chairman of the Imam Council of India. But China, when the Prime Minister says it's not the issue of politics and he speaks about it in a rally, will questions not be asked again about whether, like Asaduddin Owaisi said yesterday, this is an issue which is being brought up only keeping the elections in mind, more specifically Uttar Pradesh?
Well, I think that's a very unfair assessment. Please do understand that the triple talaq issue in the 21st century tantamounts to women's respect, gender equality, and of course the fact that women do not want to be objectified. Now, I think, Padmaja, if you actually view this petition that has been filed with the honorable courts, there are lakhs and lakhs of Indian Muslim women who are behind it. So it's not driven by the government. These women are saying that in the 21st century, where you have 22 countries like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Pakistan, etc., which do not subscribe to a regressive movement of the past, they want to move with times, and with times means that you clearly cannot say talaq, talaq, talaq on social media, on telephone or on Skype or on Facebook and believe that you are absolved of being married to a woman. What does that make? Why can't the woman do the same? And if we talk about equality, can she pick up the phone and say talaq, talaq, talaq and that's the end of the marriage? It isn't.
Okay.
So I think we need to view things in perspective. This has got nothing to do with the government. The petition that lies with the honorable courts is that of an individual petitioner that has the support of lakhs of Muslim women across India. And yes, we must realize that what is just and what is unjust, and if there is a call for this abolition, it's not from the government.
Okay.
And for all these so-called moral guardians and clerics who have their own interpretation,
right,
I would only want to say that move with times and understand that respect to women is the most important.
Okay, and let me bring in Maulana Maqsood Ul Hasan Kazmi at this point. मौलाना काज़मी, जब केंद्र ने अपना एफिडेविट सबमिट किया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट में तो कहा गया था कि आप इसको सिर्फ उत्तर प्रदेश इलेक्शंस के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं, अनइस्लामिक भी करार दिया गया था केंद्र के एफिडेविट को, जहां उन्होंने एक बात साफ की थी दैट वुमेन्स डिग्निटी इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल एंड विच इज वाई ट्रिपल तलाक को किसी भी तरीके से सपोर्ट नहीं किया जा सकता है। आज जो प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला उससे आपके ये सारी डर और आशंकाएं अब शांत हो गई हैं?
ऑन द कंट्रेरी, प्राइम मिनिस्टर is indulging in the religious issues. The post of Prime Minister is not as a head of the religious institution. Prime Minister is the head of the democratic state.
Sir, the Prime
Job of
Minister
the-
hasn't. It's
Ja-
the only
pra-
it's
job
the
of the Prime
Muslim
Minister
women
is
of
to
your community
guarantee.
that have.
No, I didn't interrupt you.
No,
Job
tell
of
me,
the Prime,
how is this a
job of
political
the Prime
issue?
Minister is to guarantee.
How is this a political
the
issue?
job.
How is this a
guarantee,
political
the-
issue?
This is a political issue.
So women's rights is a political issue. Why?
No, no,
How?
no. The triple talaq is entirely
How?
related with the Islam. And Muslim community is capable
And
to
22
resolve this
countries
issue.
that have done away with it,
need
sir.
for external power to intervene in our religious matter. And Prime Minister is deliberately
Padmaja.
trying to divert the attention
How?
of
If
the
the
nation
Supreme
from
Court
the
asked
real
the center
issues.
to file their affidavit, what do you expect them to do? To refuse?
Prime Minister is trying to divert the attention.
But the Prime Minister did not go to court, sir.
This-
It
the
is
nation
women
is being
from,
misled by
it
the
is
Prime
Muslim
Minister.
women who went to court.
Nation
and
is
this
being
government
misled
was
by the
asked for their
Prime
stand.
Minister.
What do you want him to do? Refuse?
No, I want Prime Minister should pay attention.
So the
to
Prime Minister should
Zakia
side with you
Jafri,
and your regressive
Zakia
views.
Jafri, Bilqis
And
Bano,
then he will be
Zahira
apolitical.
Sheikh of the state of the Gujarat.
China NC, can
who
you please
have
respond
been
to that?
brutalized and destroyed their lives.
Okay,
Please,
China
may I
NC.
come in, sir?
Yes,
They
China,
have
please
been
respond.
Sir, this debate-
demanding justice for more
Sir,
than
your
50 years.
viewpoint
Prime
itself
Minister
shows
has
your
been
regressive
made to
mindset.
choose. Only Prime Minister
Sir,
is selecting
we've
and
heard
choosing
you.
the cheap issues
She's
like
asked me a
triple
question.
talaq.
Yes, China, go ahead.
Sir, the Prime Minister is not intervening. Get your facts clear. It's the women of your own community and not just across a particular part of India, across the length and breadth of India, lakhs of whom have signed this petition and have said that they want the honorable courts to protect them and protect them dignity, their status, and give them the equality as that of a
just
Muslim
because of
counterpart
the
male.
few
And please,
so-called
when you
Muslim
sermonize us, look into the facts. Why Saudi Arabia, why Pakistan, why Iraq has done away with this regressive thought and mindset. You should be moving with the times, sir.
They don't
May I
represent
please? You are not the
few
ठेकेदाrs
and
of the
handful
Muslim women.
don't have
It is
right
the
to
women of
speak
this
on the-
country that are fighting for
on
their
the behalf of
rights.
Muslim
You
women
are
in India.
not the caretaker. You
do
are
these
not the
people have
caretaker.
guts, have
You may want
courage
to
to
make
go into
yourself
Muslim
believe
women?
that you are in a
And
position
can
to
they-
protect women,
can
but
they
by
ask for
this
their
regressive mindset, you
consensus?
do just the
They
opposite.
have nothing to do with Islam.
Okay.
These people
Maulana
are still
Maqsood Kazmi, let
high-end
me just
people and
remind you,
planted
let me just
people.
You have
remind
nothing
you,
to do with this.
let me
This
just
matter is sub judice, so please think and
who are
speak.
out to destroy Islam, who are out to target Islam and minorities
so
here.
are you then
Who
out
is
to destroy
interested
the
in
rights of the women of your
destroying
community?
Islam
Then
except your interpretation.
Many more
It's your
important
interpretation,
issues
sir.
other than triple talaqs are here.
Okay,
related
Maulana
to
Maqsood
the women
Kazmi,
of the
okay,
country.
please, can you,
But
if you can just
don't
hold your
address
breath,
these issues.
if you can just take a deep breath
Maulana
for a couple of
Saab.
seconds, just second, China. Maulana Kazmi,
Maulana Saab.
you are saying that
I
if
just want to ask him
anyone,
two questions, Padmaja.
all right, go ahead, China, ask him.
Maulana Saab, I want to ask you just 2-3 questions. If the women of your own community say that this is injustice to them, will you still continue to say, no, we are the moral guardians of the community and we will decide? Do you uphold that the honorable courts have a particular viewpoint on this stand, and whatever the verdict, will you uphold it? Because if not, I think that you cannot be the so-called moral guardian of a community that is wanting to move with the times and wanting respect
We are
and
not.
wanting the
We
same
are not.
equality as a male counterpart.
my
Otherwise, let a
direct
woman
question
say
to
triple
you
talaq.
is,
Will you
who
allow
has
it?
given
Will you
right
let a
these
woman say talaq,
so-called
talaq, talaq and do
Muslim
away with
women
all of
feminists
a
to
man who
represent the
is
Muslim
disturbing
women
her?
of the
No, you
entire
won't.
country.
You are intervening. And why have other countries, why have other Islamic countries done away with it? Please tell me, why is Saudi Arabia, Pakistan, Iraq, etc. and why should
Kindly, for
India be
God's
the only
sake,
one that is singled out?
Don't give the example of the Pakistan. This is the insult for the India. This is
Oh,
insult
please.
for my country's
Please.
people.
Maulana
We
Maqsood
are not
Kasmi, so
governed by
basically you are
Pakistan.
saying for a person to
Pakistani
have to
people
prove.
introduce-
Maulana Kasmi, you haven't answered.
terrorism.
No,
We
please.
don't.
No,
It is
you are just
insult
avoiding
for
answering the
Muslim
question
of
that China has
country.
asked you. Let
It's
me
insult
reframe
for
that.
the entire country.
Maulana Kasmi, please just take
Are
a
you
breath.
making
Please just
equal
take a breath for a second
India
and
with
listen to my
Pakistan?
question, sir. No, we are not comparing India and Pakistan. The question
this
that
is
we are
insult.
asking you
Why
is that for
why
a
you
prime
people
minister or anyone to
keep
have to prove that
giving
they are
example of
secular,
Pakistan?
they should turn a blind eye
Pakistan is a
to
terrorist
regressive
country.
practices.
It is role model for you BJP people.
No, it's not. Please. Don't try and derail the debate. My question to you: so for someone to prove that they do not want to interfere in a religion, they should just turn a blind eye to any regressive practices, and then they are secular and liberal. Are they?
No,
This is very convenient.
Muslim
So let
community
the demeaning of women in the community continue only to prove that you are secular.
This can only be cited an example of misusing of the triple talaq, and the solution.
But it is being misused, which is the reason that women have gone to court, sir.
No. So.
And let the court
women,
decide. It's not like the government has
five or
passed some
three,
kind
because
of
of 3
law.
or 5 women.
The matter
you
is
are
sub
out
judice.
to change entire Islam.
And the government is going to ultimately adhere to whatever the court says after it has given its side.
No,
Maulana
government.
Saab, if
I
the
am
matter
asking-
is sub
I'm asking a
judice, if
question.
you understand that
Just
the government has no role to
particular
play.
community consider the cow as their mother, and this is the sole issue which make the atrocities and take the life of innocent of the people, and I will go to
talking
court to
Can I
resolve
just
to
come
resolve
in,
this
Padmaja?
fact.
Yes, of course.
Would you like to agree with me?
Of course, the matter,
You are
in fact, just to
equating a
educate
direct-
you, the
There is
matter
also
has
state
gone to
policy.
court.
Would you like
The
to
fact
reform
that
Hindu?
the cow
Hindu
slaughter was
equating
challenged
directive
in court.
principle
which
of
consider
state
the cow
policy.
as their mother, and on the basis of their faith, they are some people of the RSS.
I don't know what you're
some
talking about.
They
Maulana
killing the
ji,
innocent
where are you
people.
going?
So
From
would
where
you
to
like
where?
to reform this fact?
What are you talking?
I am
Maulana
talking
Kasmi,
What
about
are
this
you
is the
talking?
same
The
parallel
government
issue
has
I
no
am
role
raising
to
up
play.
here.
The matter is sub judice.
Okay.
The Honorable Supreme Court are going to decide.
Okay,
Do you
Shaina, just
understand
just
that
give me a
very
second. No,
clearly?
I think that is
Either
lost
Either
on
you're
him.
missing the point or
But I
pretending
don't
to be
agree.
missing the point.
Maulana
But
Kasmi, let me ask
I
you this.
am-
Just a second. You have a problem with what the Prime Minister and the government have said in their affidavit. In the affidavit on the All India Muslim Personal Law Board, among the reasonings that you had given for the practice of triple talaq to continue, you actually argued that a man should be allowed to give this cursory. If not allowed to do so, he may murder or burn his wife alive. You really think that this is something that is in the interest of women? This is the argument that the Muslim Personal Law Board gave, sir.
No. You are not aware of the intention of the Muslim Personal Law
Sir,
Board.
I will
Muslim
quote from
Personal
the
Law Board
affidavit. I
means
have
by
it right
saying
here.
that-
It says,
that the religion, there is no
it
provision
says,
of talaq,
if there develops
and the
serious discord
disagreement
between the
happened
couple
with
and the
couple,
husband does not want to
they
live
only
with his
resort to
wife,
kill each other.
legal
What about the
compulsions
Naina Sani Khan?
of
What
time-consuming
about the
separation
Tandoor
proceedings
Khan?
and expenses may deter him from taking the legal course. In such instances, he may resort to illegal criminal ways of murdering her or burning her alive. This is your reasoning for basically exploiting a woman and giving her triple talaq
Our
so
reasoning
that you
is
are safe
that-
from murdering her?
Countless of the women are being burned down on the issue of dowry.
Oh, Lord.
And their number is huge number. And triple talaq victims are only very handful, very few. So why
Okay,
are you
I think
giving
every kind of
priority this
reason that I'm
such
putting
issue,
to
very
you,
cheap
you are going to
issue.
take it into a different direction.
Just
Maulana
to
Kasmi,
gain
let
the
me ask you a
political-
final question.
just to
A
gain
final
the
question.
vote.
So if
Just
the
to
Prime
get the
Minister has
political
said today,
mileage,
and you had
you are
questioned
raising
his
this
silence
issue.
so far, he has said today, if tomorrow someone is going to kill a daughter in the womb, Hindu, Muslim, anyone, they are going to face jail. Female feticide is punishable in law, and a Hindu will also face the same punishment.
3,000
This is
This
is about the law. It is not about religion.
In the mother are being
Why do you still insist that this is
aborted
about
in our
politics?
country. But you people don't have any debate on such issue.
Of course we do.
Because there is no
Which is why
angle
it has
of
been made a
targeting
criminal
any
offence, sir.
A particular religion.
It has been made a criminal offence.
No. But you don't. You people don't.
both these
raise
practices
this
are just
issue.
as abhorrent.
You don't have debate on such issues. Because
Okay,
there is
Shaina,
no
any final
appeasement
words? Because
of
this
such
is going to
other
be,
communities.
even
There is
when
no
the matter is in
angle of
court, there are political
targeting
motives being
Islam.
imputed. Is there any way out of this? Final 30 seconds, please.
Hello?
There is no political motive. Our Prime Minister has said clearly that this is a matter of women's dignity, women's equality and women's respect, and that is exactly what it is. The
Okay.
matter is not within the parameters of the government to say that this is our final conclusion. It is sub judice, it is for the honorable courts to decide, and I am very clear that the honorable courts will not undermine the women of the Muslim community, or for that matter any community, when it comes to equality. For these
Absolutely.
so-called Maulanas and clerics who are playing their own regressive game and citing all kinds of examples, they do nothing but brainwash people to believe that their thought process is right. It is clearly wrong, and in the 21st century, if we do not move with times and if we do not understand the need of
Right.
the hour is not objectification but equal rights, equal
And it's very
status.
clear, I think, what
And
the
if you
government has
propose
stated,
to
this is
have
not an essential
amendment,
part
make
of
it
religion.
the same for the men as well.
Absolutely. Let's say which way the court is going to rule, and that is going to be binding whether Maulana Qasmi likes it or not. Thank you very much for the time being for joining us, Maulana Qasmi. Shaina NC, completely out of time.